First, I want to say no children were harmed in the making of this video. So let's get started. We are going to be doing the BazBoozled. I hope I said that right. If I said it wrong, you know, blast me if you want to. Bean BazBoozled challenge. So my nephew and my sons are going to give this a try today. And we're going to see how it goes. So the first person, let me introduce our contestants for today. Alright, first we have Lakin. Say hey, Lakin. We have Cole. Say hey. And we have Shawnee.
Hello.
So the idea of this is the person who keeps and chews the jelly beans without spinning a cup gets a point. Okay? So the one, we'll do like 3 rounds to make it short. So the person to, let's see, 4 wins, okay? Alright, let's get started. So Lakin, go first. Alright, Lakin, so let's go. What did you get, Lakin? Alright, pass the Cole. And see, now they're all the jelly beans, they look like jelly beans. You just don't know what you're getting. It's just the luck of the draw.
Baby wipes.
Baby wipes. Are you keeping it or are you spitting out?
I'm keeping it.
Okay. Pick one. What'd you get, Shawnee?
I got barf.
Oh, you got barf. Oh, well, Lakin, Shawnee, no point. Okay, let's make sure we drop them all back down in there.
Oh, good.
Alright. So we have 1, 1, 0. Alright, let's go. What did you get? What did you get?
Baby wipes.
Oh, alright.
Oh, yes, for sure.
So nasty.
Oh, that even smells bad.
I know. Oh, gotta pick this right.
Dog food.
Let me see it.
So let's okay, so go ahead, Shawnee.
Oh, like portion custard is all. Oh, both dog food. Oh.
Okay, alright, so we have 1, 1, 0. Alright.
I ain't doing this.
Oh, please don't give me no barf.
Now I got barf.
Come on, let's go.
Come on.
Stinky sock.
Great times, Jim. Thank you so much. Dave's out on the road.
You get 2D
What did you get? Did you get a good one?
I got barf.
Yeah, barf?
Yeah, it's not that
And you ate, you like barf? Okay.
Not bad.
Passed it. So that's 2 points for you. It's Cole's turn. 2 points for Lakin. So
Okay, like
2, 1, 0.
Okay. Oh, God.
It is red on the inside, white on the outside. Look at that grill. Really nice. It is getting a little bit dusky here, so the lights are coming on.
Okay, Booker.
Bright lights on great cars, that's even better.
No.
What'd you get?
Lawn clippings.
Did you eat it though? Alright, pass it.
Okay, is this?
So 2, 2, 0.
No, son, you don't eat it.
You gotta take it. Come on, Shawnee. You don't look at the thing. You just gotta go, honey.
Oh, God, no, that was nasty.
What was it?
It was, Ken, oh no, it was that one right there. Oh.
Alright, so Shawnee, no points for you. Alright.
Oh, does it mean I don't have to go?
No, it's your turn. Go. We're waiting on you.
Oh, crap.
Oh gosh. Both of them are nasty.
What is this one?
Licorice or skunk
You
spray.
can't look at the thing. You just have to take it. What was it?
Oh, skunk spray. Oh, it tastes like doo-doo. Oh, for real.
Oh, it sells that too.
Oh god.
Okay, are you done? You can always tap out.
I tap out.
I need to go.
So you're out, Shawnee.
Yeah.
Shawnee is tapping out. So the only people left in the contest
Bye.
is Cole
It's so
and Lakin. All right, let's go. So, what'd you get, Cole?
Tutti frutti.
Tutti Frutti. So how many points do you have, Cole?
3.
3. Lakin, how many points do you have? 2. All right, so the person did what? 4 first. So this is the last round. All right, Lakin.
Bridgestone is changing the game in tire performance. So will our next
Thank you, Jesus.
What was it? Was it a good one? Was it a good one?
Yeah.
All right, so now we're 3-3. Cole, if this one stays in all the way down, you will be the Bazboozle champion.
Tires are engineered to take a puncture and drive up to 50 miles an hour. So no side road.
Well, that's good because the side road.
What was it, Cole?
Oh no. It's more like boogers. Oh god.
All right, so Lakin, if you eat this one, you'll be the champion.
Okay. What the heck is this?
I don't know, take it, just take it.
Take it, Lincoln.
It's there, it's yours.
Okay, come on. Let's go. Be calm, corn.
Put it all in there. Put it all in there. There you go.
I gotta win with multi cheese.
Oh.
I got one cheese.
Come on. You gotta swallow it. Uh-oh, Cole, you're still in it to win it. All right, Cole, it's your turn. If you keep this one down, oh my God, y'all, these stink.
Ah. No.
All right.
Whiskey licorice.
Did you ever think you...
So spray.
Start gagging at me.
All right, so now you're tied. So it's just whoever keeps it down. All right, go ahead, Lakin.
Oh, both those are nasty. Oh god. Oh.
Just pick it and take it. Let's go.
Bruce. I'm from Kelsonburg, Ontario. I'm down here for the Woodward Dream Cruise. Behind me is my car. It's a 1960
Was it a good one?
Yeah. No. It's actually sunscreen.
So you're eating the skunk spray to win. Okay, you gotta keep it all down. Stick that tongue out when it's all gone. All right, y'all, we have a champion. Yay, Lakin.
Yo, give me some.
Good game.
Oh, bye. Later, you too. Pull me out.